So what's the guide about? It's about software setup that is required for the training, the data modeling and data visualization training. So I point out things as we go along, and I also include the links in the video below the video so that you guys can just go and click on the links instead of just referring to the screen. Let's go for it. I want to show you this platform slides, which is quite important for the data modeling and data visualization training. The reason is because we are doing it in Excel and Power BI. So it is very important to set it up correctly in Excel and of course Power BI too. Now we're very used to seeing workbooks and worksheets. So we also have two tools behind that, which is the Power Pivot and the Power Query tool. These two tools, they are available in all versions of Excel. So long you have 2013, 2016, 2019 Professional Plus or Microsoft Excel 365. This name is Excel for Microsoft 365 is the new name. I will go into the setup of Power Query and of course later on Power View and 3D Map. There's not much setup required for 3D Map because it's already there if we have the correct version. In the second segment of the video, I will go into the Power BI desktop installation as well as signing up an account for Power BI service. Let's get on to it. This is my Excel screen. I'm going to show you how to check your Excel version. I'm going to File and going right to Account, click on the button and there it is. So I'm running on Excel 2019 Professional Plus. Why do we need to check our Excel version? It's because that the tools you require for the training, they will be in 2013, 2016 and 2019 Professional Plus. If you're running a desktop version of Excel, you might not be running on the desktop version. So there are two Excel versions, the desktop version and the subscription based version, which is Excel 365. So I will show you what I have installed in my laptop. Let's go. Starting first with Power Query. Power Query is here. It's under data and it's actually right here under get and transform data. So there's no installation needed in this case because I'm running 2019. It is right here, part of Excel. What about Power Pivot? Okay, the next thing to do is like before we go into Power Pivot and check, right? Of course, I have already installed it on the screen, you can see. But for first-time users, it's a good idea to go to Developer, COM Add-ins, and look for these things here. So you need to make sure that these three are. Now, what happens if you do not have these three items? It actually means that your Excel version is not the correct Excel version. When it comes to that, right, if you are running 2016 and above, and if you have the wrong Excel version, it means that you have to subscribe and install for the correct version. There's no way that you can install Power Pivot, Power View, or 3D Map. 3D Map is another name for Power Map. Once you have that installed, just make sure the three boxes are checked. That's it for these three COM add-ins. So I'm going to now what if you don't have Power Pivot up here, right? Okay, you just have to make sure that you go to COM add-ins and check the box. What happens if you check the box and your Power Pivot is still not here? You can always go to Customize Ribbon and check whether this box is ticked or not. So that's it for Power Pivot. When it comes to Power View, the steps are more. You will need to customize your ribbon. So I'm going to have to go to here, this part of my Excel window and look for Customize Ribbon. Click on it. Now Power View, I have it here, but you notice this menu and ribbon is customized, so by default it's not there. You will need to create a new group. You will need to create a new tab, and in the new tab, click on it and give it a name. So the appropriate name would be Power View. Because I already have one, so I'm just showing you. Now we have created the new tab. Right now we need to add that function into the new tab. What do? Go to this box here, look for all commands, and we are looking for Power View. I'm going to click on any single random item and punch in the P so that I can go directly to items listed under the letter P. And I'm scrolling down for PO. There it is, Power View. Click on it and click. Now before you click add, you have to make sure that you have selected this. So click add. Commands to add a group. Okay, you get this. Why because we need to select this and not this. So cancel it, click on new group and click add, and there you have it. After that, click OK, and there I have my second menu for Power View. I'm going to delete later because I don't want to duplicate things. The next item is 3D map. 3D map is also known as Power Map before the name change. So under Excel 2019, it is under Insert, under Tools. To go to Power Map or 3D map, click on the drop down arrow and look for this item called Open 3D Map. So it's fairly straightforward. There's no installation needed. So that's it for Power Map. Let's talk about Power BI. Now there are two main things to do to prepare your laptop for the training. The first one is to download the Power BI desktop. The second task is to create a Power BI service account using your work email. Personal email is not allowed and accepted by Microsoft. You need to use your company work email. Let's get down to things here. I'm at a link where we download the Power BI desktop. This link is included in the video below. All you need to do is to click on download free, download it and install according to instructions. So it's pretty straightforward and very simple. So once you download it, right, and install it, of course, okay, after downloading and installing, click on the Power BI desktop to test it out. So I have this opening up here, and this is the fully open Power BI desktop. It has my name in it because I've signed up for it earlier, and it looks fine. So you should be able to get this picture if you have installed the Power BI desktop correctly. Let's move on. About Power BI service account. To create an account in Power BI service, you will need to use your company email. Personal emails are not allowed by Microsoft. I'm at the URL and I've included the URL in the video below. Go to this URL and you will be able to see something like this. Click try free and it'll take you to this account. Follow the steps and it'll take you to a place where you're asked put in information, and please do that. During the training, we will need to explore the features of the Power BI Pro. Power BI Pro requires payment. However, we shall go on the 60-day trial version. The 60-day trial version lets us use the service, the Power BI service, for free. However, when you are getting on the trial version, the website will ask for payment details. Key in your payment details and use it for free for 60 days. But remember, before the end of the 60 days, if you wish not to pay, please cancel your subscription. In summary, you need to sign up for the Power BI service account, and after signing up, you need to upgrade yourself from the Power BI service free account to the Power BI service pro account. If there are any questions, please do let me know and I'll be happy to answer them. So that's it for Power BI desktop downloading and Power BI service sign up. See you at the training.